So what's good, y'all? We out here. Today is currently Wednesday. That's a brandy wine. About to get some lunch. Let's see what they got cooking. That looks interesting. Cafeteria vibes. I never had any of these before. These right here. Oh no, I might not be those ones. But the hard-boiled eggs, they're pretty good for hair growth because of the biotin. Let me know if y'all want me to make a how to grow your hair video, because I know a lot about that stuff. Alright, so I ended up getting the broccoli. Getting the biotin in for today. Yo, but guys, so this has been something that's been on my mind for a while. You know, I talked about this in a couple of my videos, but like, one thing I really want to do, because you know, music is my main passion. I really want to tap into like the hair side of things. You know, like have, you know how I have like different playlists on my channel? Like it'll say musician life or, you know, vlogs. It'll say performances. It'll say different things, you know, reactions. I think I want to try hair this time, you know, because you see in like all my vlogs, especially like my daily vlogs, my diet, I usually drink like a lot of water. Most of the time I try to have some greens. But yeah, if you guys want like tips on like hair growth, or just like how to grow an afro, how to grow any kind of hair, how to get 360 waves, just let me know in the comment section below, because like I'm really trying to do some new things in 2018. It's the end of the day. I'm back in my dorm, but definitely let me know if you want to see some hair videos on this channel. It's not like I'm gonna alienate everything else, you know. I'm still gonna be pumping out as much music stuff, because like music is my main passion. I'm still gonna be doing vlogs. It's just gonna be like a whole nother playlist, kind of like the vlogs are, or like the reactions are. So it's not like anything is gonna become any less of what it is. It's just another thing being on this channel. That pretty much concludes this video. If you like this video, please make sure to like, favorite, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see more vlogs. Also, make sure to follow me on my social media. My social media links are down below in the description, and I'll leave an end slide at the end of this video. Make sure to turn on post notifications so as soon as my next video comes out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.